Hello YouTubers. Today I will show you the first one that I show you from my little radio clock collection. In there I have some flip clocks that like these and some digital ones, some first ones from the 70s, and flip clocks from the end 60s and early 70s till mid 70s. Yeah, we have 12 o'clock. You see that also on my radio controlled clock. Yeah, this clock is in a very nice condition, you see. For his old. There's a type plate. It's a complete bottom. Yeah, go ahead and turn the radio on. Yeah, these are the switches. Manual on off for the radio. Yeah, this is FM now.
Im Chef. Berlin 8. Verkehrsservice.
Vorsicht bitte in beiden Richtungen auf der A24 Hamburg-Berlin.
Without antenna, only with this little wire here.
Und Richtung Hannover zwischen.
It's not a good reception, of course. This station comes strong. And that's FM. Now I go to AM.
Heute tritt wieder Jewgeni Marlow.
Shield and report.
Much interferences, I think, from this computer and from this computer here too. But anyways, it works very fine for his old. And I had now turned on this clock radio after 3 years. It's today the first time after 3 years that it becomes mains voltage in there, and it works. The most problem of these flip clocks are this synchronous motor. It's oftentimes dry and the motor is stuck oftentimes, and you must it taken apart and lubricate. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.